Well, last summer, heavy rain flooded thousands of basements in the city of Detroit, and the city was honest about what happened. The pumps just couldn't keep up.
Today, Mayor Duggan announced a new effort to get into homes and install new equipment to try to keep basements dry. Our consumer investigator, Hank Winchester, spent a lot of last year on this matter. Here now to explain what's going to happen now. Hank?
And Devin, you know, we're talking about sub pumps. That's one of the keys to this program being installed in these homes. And, you know, here's part of the problem. As you can see here, a canal that leads to the river, which caused a lot of that water to make its way into this low-lying area. In fact, if you look here to my right, you can still see the sandbags now covered with snow left over from the summer. The mayor wants to make sure what happened last year does not happen again. We all remember the big mess. Water everywhere, basements flooded, so much destroyed. The floods caused huge amounts of damage. Daryl McGee, who lives here in Jefferson Chalmers, still can't believe all he lost.
I lost my water heater, washer, dryer, equipment, a lot of tools I had in the basement.
You lost a lot of stuff.
Yeah.
But now there's new hope for people like Daryl and other homeowners in this area because of a new program to help prevent the water from getting into your home in the first place.
This is an ongoing thing, mostly in the summertime when we have those heavy rains. So it should have been dealt with, but I'm glad to hear that they're doing something about it.
This is one of the first neighborhoods that will benefit from this pilot program, and here's why. As you can see, we're located right here near the Detroit River. And that water made its way into many homes during those big floods. Mayor Duggan and DWSD announcing a brand new program to help reduce basement backups all over the city of Detroit. Here's what we know. This is a $15 million program. 11 different neighborhoods will be targeted, those that are prone to flooding. The $2.4 million pilot program will roll out this spring. The city also saying they are focused on hiring Detroit contractors.
If we can work it out in these first two, our plan is to move quickly to the rest of the affected subdivisions in the city.
Again, this program is going to start rolling out later this year. The work is going to be pretty detailed. They're going to have to get into these homes, make sure the right equipment is installed to help avoid water from making its way inside these properties here. We're live here tonight in Jefferson Chalmers. I'm Hank Winchester. Help me, Hank, Local 4.
You got it all right, Hank.